Hello, hello. Is everyone here yet? I'm waiting. Is anyone there yet? If you're there, say hello. Say hello, click like, click heart, and then I know you're here so we can start. How many of you here yet? Hello. สวัสดีค่ะ Welcome back to Simply Thai Facebook Live, everyone. The second show. How's you doing? How's it going? It's a beautiful day today in Buxton, nice and sunshine. So, might as well do some very spicy dish, right? So you probably know I post about showing you to do Pad Karpao, which is very spicy, very hot, and it's one of my favorite. So, but it requires lots of open air. I have to open the doors today because when we cook, it's going to be very strong smell. It could involve coughing, but don't scare. I'm still safe. So yes, today I'm going to show you the favorite dish of Thai people. We call Pad Karpao is อาหารสิ้นคิด สิ้นคิด is mean it's like when you can't think of anything else, you order Pad Karpao. It's like a Thai default dish. So it's our favorite because when you order it, you have it, you're happy with it every time. Well, if you do it right? And it's going to be a Thai street style. It's just because this is actually how we like it, how I loved it. So I'm going to show you. And also a good news is we're going to add it on the main menu when everything is back to normal. But I don't know when. When is that? Tell me, do you know? When can we get out yet? So are you keeping well? You keeping your hand clean? I did wash my hand today a lot of times. And also disinfected. So yes, we will safe, right? We will be fine. We can get through this. So if you here, a few of you already here, please click like, give me a heart, and start sharing. So make this fun, please. Hello. You giving a like, a heart yet? Please say hello. Start sharing this post, please. Make me happy, make it more fun so I can do some more. Can you hear me? I don't have a microphone, but I think I'm a loud person. But when we start cooking, it could be noises because we might need some of the fan. Okay, now ready for the Pad Karpao, right? Is this camera show you where the wok is? Let's move it down a little bit. Okay, here we go. The Pad Karpao with chicken today, it's involved, well, of course, chicken and Krapao. Krapao is Pad Karpao is Pad is stir fry. Krapao is basil. So basil, stir fry basil leaves. So we do it with chicken today. So I'm going to use 200 grams of minced chicken. It's already minced. And this is like the chili paste that I made is involved with 3 garlic cloves and 5 fresh chilies. So I mash in there, like roughly mash, become a paste. So you can prepare that before you start cooking, right? Also 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce. And this sauce is the mix between a half tablespoon of the soy sauce and half tablespoon of seasoning sauce, a Thai seasoning sauce. When we're talking about the seasoning sauce, it's this one. Okay. And the soy sauce is this. So I mix it half and half to be blending. And I'm using also just only 30 grams of the green beans and a handful of basil leaves. Sugar, we only gonna need just 1 teaspoon. But of course we do need some oil, cooking oil, about 2 tablespoons, and some water. Okay. Oh, also a little bit of the dark soy sauce, just for the color. So I just prepare it in that little teaspoon there. Okay, let's start it. Hope it's all working well. We started with that. Make it start up first. Hello? You still there? Don't forget to check. Give me a heart. Give me a like. I want to see some cheerful people. Come on, guys. You can do it. Now I also need to turn the fan on. Hopefully you still can hear it. Okay. So after the heating the pan, I need some oil. 2 tablespoons. Can you hear me after the fan? Hopefully. Okay. Now, like I told you before, I'm not professional cook. I don't even cook that often. This is very essential. Especially for Simply Thai fan. Because normally I have chefs cooking for me. I don't have to. And now I do. Now I do have to cook, man. Well, I can cook. Just a bit. Like, you know, creative cook rather than. Okay, now after heating the cooking oil, we need to put this paste in. So it's a mash of 5 chilies and 3 garlic. But I know that a lot of you can't eat spicy. You can go down with the chili, 2 or 3. But I normally go 7 to 10. This is baby. Only 5. Okay, just like that, stir fry, and then add some minced chicken. 200 grams, I say, right? Okay. Let's hope this go well because it's a live show. Hopefully, nothing go wrong. Live show and things can go wrong. Hopefully not. Okay, after stir fry that, let's put some sauce. What? I told you things go wrong. 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce. I just dropped my spatula, but I have a spare. Okay, and then I'm just going to add these carbs first. The mixing between soy sauce and seasoning sauce. I'm just going to put them half first and then taste it before it gets too salty and you can't fix it. Okay, I'm going to fry at the end and then add it if I need to. Okay, and the green beans. Gosh, I dropped my spatula. Things can go wrong because it's a live show. How you doing? Don't forget to give me some hearts and share. Hello, people. So it can be more fun. Now I need a teaspoon of sugar. Okay. Let's make it not too big lump. So it's supposed to be smaller minced chicken, but I just dropped my weapon on the floor. Okay, and some water. Oh, water, about 3 tablespoons of water, just so it's not get too dry. But we Thai street style style. We don't want it too saucy or too watery anyway. So, well, it's nearly done, to be honest. It's a stir fry, so it takes very short time to cook. Oh my god, I'm going to cook. Hello. Okay, let's try it as well. Let's try the sauce. Okay, I think I'm happy to put the whole thing. So it's mix of half tablespoon of the soy sauce and half tablespoon of the seasoning. No, I told you I was going to cough. You need a lot of air when you cook this pad karpao. Okay, I think it's nearly done, and we put the basil leaves at the end, so it's not get too soft and too cooked. That's it. It's so easy. Oh, also yes, a little bit of this dark soy sauce just to get the color. Just 1 little teaspoon, so the color will magically nice, beautiful brown. That's it, I guess. Okay, let's try it again. I'm gonna taste it.อร่อยแล้ว. Okay. Finish with this handful of basil leaves. That's it. Done, people. This is my dinner, my tea, whatever you call it. I'm hungry because I haven't had yet. Been busy trying to prepare things for you today. Ready? Oh no, heat up, man. Forgot about that. It's heat up after you put the basil leaf. Okay, done. How easy is that? Oh my goodness. And it looks very good. You can turn that off. It's very strong smell. When you cook, you make sure you open all the windows or door if you can. Okay, now I'm done. I'm going to serve it. Today, things go wrong a lot today. With the rice, so I have my brown rice, try to be healthy, and serving with the fresh cucumber. Okay, now, there is a lot though. This is enough for 2 people if you don't eat big portion. So I'm just gonna leave another half. For someone who can eat spicy. Now, also very street style, we like it with the fried eggs, crispy fried eggs. So I'm gonna top with the fried eggs on the top, just like that. That's it. Pad Karpao ไก่ไข่ดาว This is very Thai street style. Ready to eat. Hello, join me. Now if you love this show, this cooking, please give me a love, heart, like, share, because, well, again, I never let you go empty hand for the lucky people, right? If you love this this post, this show, do share, because, let's try it. อร่อยอ่ะ yummy. Because if you share this post in a public post and you live locally, you're going to get this sauce. It's the seasoning sauce and the soy sauce that we use in the restaurant. You can't find it locally, apart from me. Also, not just that, It's going one price. So in one price, for the lucky winner, you will get, apart from those 2 bottles of sauces, this is the V60 coffee dripper and Piang Thai coffee. You know that we do coffee roasting, Buxton Roastery, and I importing the Thai coffee from Thailand. We bought it directly from the farmer, ship it over and roast it here in Buxton. So Piang Thai coffee can be yours if you like these posts, share these posts in the public post. So the prices will be for you, for the local people who can collect the price, yes? So that's it. If you love this Pad Karpao, you think you can do it, I hope you can. After my crazy cooking. But I have to say, let's see how my fried egg doing. Okay, I did fry it just 10 minutes before we start. Look at that. Hello. It's not bad. I tell you, I'm not professional, but I can cook. Okay guys, if you love this, please like, share, post these posts, what I'm talking about, because I'm hungry and yeah. So I can do it again if you do share, right? As long as we're still in this, what is it? Self-isolated and staying safe at home. So I can trying to be creative for you. Alright. That's it. Thank you for watching. I do miss you. Who's that? I can see. Katie, hello. Tissy, hi. Anyone? Hi, Ruth. Hello. Thank you for watching. Hi, Nong Am. Sawadee ka, Pi Am. Evans, are you gonna cook tonight? Okay, guys, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed it, and hopefully I feel like doing it again. Now, keep sharing and posting this if you want to win those prizes. Piang Thai coffee, coffee dripper, and this bottle of sauces that you can't find anywhere else in Buxton. Okay, that's it. Thank you for today. My name is Mim and I'm the owner of Simply Thai. Bye. Mwah, 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 mwah.